guys, it's Nick here from Holistic Health and Fitness Coaching and Focus Driving School. I've got the pleasure of having a chat with Marty. Marty, how are you?
Good.
That's the way. So, what are your targets for driving? What do you want to do, and how far have you gone in your driving school, so we all know what stage you are in your driving?
Well, I'm almost about to do my test, and I'm just focusing on fixing up the last bits of my driving and just getting confidence before.
Okay, so how many hours? But looking at your logbook up here, I've got your logbook here. It's roughly, you've got almost your 120 hours.
Yeah, I think it's 115 or something.
Oh, you're not too, very good, very good. Now, have you done your, okay, so you're not far from the night drives, which you need to get a few more night drives up there, cool?
Yeah.
And you need 20 to complete and 100 day hours. You notice you've got some courses that you've completed, the Safer Drivers course, congratulations, good, well done. Now, I want to get you closer to passing the driver's test, okay? But I want to do something called the coaching method of getting to a deeper learning.
Yeah.
All right. So while we were driving, there were a few things that I took notes of, and now I want to know. First of all, let's go back to the time. I think it was like the first 5 minutes of your drive, yeah, and you approached a small roundabout, and then what I noticed is you almost had a collision, or I had to stop you. Right?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So I just want to know that by asking you a certain question, I'm going to ask the word why. Why did you attempt to have an accident there?
I just forgot to look on my right, and I was kind of distracted by what I was turning right. I forgot to check what's around me, which didn't count.
Oh, cool. So, what else? What else do you think you refused to see that side of the roundabout? What else do you think went on with you that made you not see that particular car?
I think I was distracted by my left side because there was a car
Oh, you're distracted.
that way, so I looked to the left instead of the right. I just wasn't thinking about which way to
Mm-hmm.
look.
All right. Is there anything else that you didn't see, or something else distracted you from that?
Not that I can really think of. I just wasn't really paying attention, and I forgot to look right to turn right.
Okay. Can I suggest something?
Mm-hmm.
Some of us actually confuse the left and rights.
Mm-hmm.
You're right, you did look to the left, but you didn't come back to the right.
Yeah.
Some of us confuse the left and rights. Was that maybe a reason why you checked the incorrect side first?
Yeah, possibly. Yeah.
Okay, so let's call it that. Cool.
Yeah.
Do you think that was a win for you to know that? Do you think it's a deeper
Yeah,
learning now
yeah,
for
definitely.
you to check the correct side?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, sometimes we do get confused, the left and right. Maybe, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's go with that. What else did I see? Tell me about checking your left and right. It's just a simple check. Watch me. Left check, right check, center check. Just for, you stop to the traffic light, and you have red lights, and you're just about to get the green lights. Cool? Or we're anticipating a light change. Tell me, why do you think you didn't do that? Why didn't you check?
I just didn't think about it. I didn't think you needed to do that before you went. I just thought you just went straight through, but I forgot that was an important step in checking what's around you and stuff before you
I'm
go.
just trying to pick up on the words you forgot.
Mm.
Why do you think you forgot?
Because I was just focused on going through. I didn't think about my surroundings. So.
All right, let's go again. You didn't think about your surroundings.
Yeah.
All right. Why didn't you think about your surroundings?
They just weren't immediately in front of me, so I didn't.
Okay. What do you think the assessor's going to see or do when he sees you not doing that on the driving test? What do you think?
They'll think I'm just not aware of things around me.
Cool. Why do you think it's really necessary and must do for you to do that from now on and have that instinct behaviour
Because you need
without even thinking about it, doing it just on instinct, like a built-in behaviour?
Because you always need to react to what's going on, and if you don't, that can cause an accident.
Cool. All right. Do you know it's Christmas time at the moment?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know that a lot of people get a bit too blasé, and a lot of people can be when can go through a
Red light.
red light or red light runners. What about drunk pedestrians? What about that?
Yeah, they're just not aware.
So good. Do you think now you have a deeper learning what the assessor will say and why it's a must to check both sides of the
Yeah,
junction to be safe?
definitely.
Cool. All right. Can I give that a tick?
Yeah.
Well done. Yeah, let's go to the next one. Checking both sides. Done. Sometimes, here's what I noticed. When you're making a right turn, you are actually going to the left a little bit, actually, and binging on the other side of the lane for the right turns. Why do you think you do that?
I think I like to try to make way kind of to turn, like more space for me to turn right, so I drift over.
Oh,
to the
more
left.
space to turn, so you drift over and maybe,
over the
and there
side.
was a bus that you could have
Yeah,
collided with.
and I
yeah?
don't see what's happening on my left
And
side.
you don't see what's happening on the left side.
Yeah.
So, let's try again. Why do you think you do it again? Why would you think you actually do that?
Because I don't pay attention to what's coming up on my left side.
Fantastic, fantastic. And what do you think could happen if you keep doing that?
I'll just eventually drift over into the left lane and cause.
Or you
accident.
lose your mirrors from the truck?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So how do you think you're going to fix that?
Every time like I turn right, just like pay attention to sticking into the lane before I go.
Getting closer to the
Hugging the
island, hugging the island near there,
Yeah.
or a double line, just like that one there. Okay. Do you think we addressed that one quite deeply?
Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. There was another one. The head checks before the parallel parking.
Yeah.
The head check. There's a certain check. You look around. You do the mirrors first. As soon as you put in reverse, you do the three mirrors first, right? You know that one. But then you kind of whip around, surrounding at the same time as the mirrors, and then you turn your head that way, and then you come back to the front. There's a lot of checks, and you're kind of there. All right. You got your indicator on for 5 seconds. You got to be seen by drivers, and then there's a particular head check. Can you show me which head check you need to do? Right through there, through between there. Good. Do you know why you do that?
To see what's coming up.
Yeah.
The side.
To see what's coming beside. What's coming beside?
A car.
Okay. Good.
Or-
What sort of car would it be?
Um.
What about a motorcycle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Motorcycle, car, bike, anything. could be
Oh,
coming up the side.
good. You got to look at the front and the head check for the right. Cool. That's another thing though. You will not be favoured on the driver's test if you don't do that one. Cool. So another reason why you didn't do that.
I think I was just looking to the left to like focus on parking and
Uh-huh.
like going in, so I just didn't.
Okay.
To the right. I just immediately looked to the left instead.
That's cool. Cool. All right. I think we've gone in a deeper learning. Yep.
Yeah.
And I think you're going to be at our next session. I'm sure that you'll be definitely thinking about these now, and they're instilled because
Yep.
you put some reality to the deeper discussion. So I think it's great, Marty. I just want to thank you for this opportunity to present this with you and to do it. Something called a deeper learning, a deeper coaching. Cool.
Yeah.
Well done. I think you're going to do very good in your driver's test
Thank
and a
you.
future low-risk driver. And there's a little bits and pieces that you can do while we're sending you some videos and that. So yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you very much. This is Nick here and Marty. Nick here from Holistic Health and Coaching and Focus Driving School. Wishing you a safe and joyous Happy New Year in your drive. Bye for now. Be safe.